question. So, Kashika, please read the question.
Question. Okay, mic. Hem, hem.
Mic test, mic test.
Okay. What is the most romantic thing you've ever done for someone you love?
That's all. Thank you.
What's your answer?
I believe love is like an otan. So, si Kim na. So mag-interview mi kay Kim. So, yung gipik kayo ang love. Okay. Uy, wala pa. Kani magpili.
This is your question.
Kaya ako na.
This is your question. What is the most romantic thing you've ever done for someone you love?
Gusto ko lang
Dapat ako may Sige, nakabunot na siya.
Basahin mo.
Uy, ako nagbasa.
Sige.
What makes people fall out of love?
Ala!
What makes people fall out of love?
If dili na consistent. Ay alam kay some people ba kay ma-fall sila tungod silang ka-consistent then at some point kay ma-fall out ay ma-out of love sila it because katong consistent nilang ginahatag kay marag dili na good consistent. Nagsawa na sila yan. And then napay sometimes yung fall out of love sila ma-fall out of love sila kay it because kanang soban kay marag mapulan na sila good like balik-balik na lang or if toxic sila ingana na dagan magwi nga ma-fall out of love ka. So, that's all. Thank you.
That is the answer of Kim. So today we're going to here na tayo. So please answer. Hi. Hello. This one because this girl. Kinsa naman. Kashika. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Angelica and today we're going to interview the Kashika. So Kashika, what's your name?
My name is Kasheka.
So, how are you today?
Katugon man ko guys kay kabulong mo nagpula ko gay na for my report. So ayun.
Okay, deserve. So today, so this is my that's all.
So here's my
So this bunot. Okay.
massage siya. Pinakulban ko.
Wala, taas kayo. Uy, taas kayo. I believe. And I thank you.
So the question is,
Pinakulban ko.
have you ever skipped a class or school entirely? If so, what was the reason and what happened as a result?
Okay, kine. So I believe kagahapon. Pero matawag yapon to siya cutting.
Yes.
Sige, kagahapon is kaning naman akong mama diri so ana akong mama paon na lang dako niya kay magkaon na mi sa Jollibee. So mo na siya ang reason paon dako niya kay mag Jollibee. So wala na ko ni balik kay na lang. Wala naman pud mo diri. So lain bumalik na ako ra isa. So mara ta guys. Thank you.
That's a wonderful answer. So today, we're going to the Gogers in our room, and So,
What's your account?
hair or love? Where's love?
Love dapat
Sige, you choose ACADS. Wait. Why you choose ACADS?
Malaman, nag-eskwela pa man ko.
Charles, kailan nagka-graduate student?
Ay, boy, isa lang.
Isa lang, gabi ko nang lima.
You choose So,
Kailangan basahin ni Angel.
ipakita sa akin.
Ano sa name is Q&A?
Yes, that's all.
Uy, ano ba niya?
Kan sa answer ko.
Uy, balik-balik. I don't like that. Balik-balik.
Balik-balik.
Kailangan eh.
Okay, pamili. Iglain. Uy!
Ay, kini. Sige. Sige. Wait lang, sir. Okay. The question is, have you ever cheated on a test or assignment in school? If so, what did you do and why? I hope you have a wonderful answer for that. I believe and go.
Lugagoy po sa inyo.
Your answer is wrong.
Gidugay-dugay ko ninyo. Ay, yes. Nag-cheat ko. Grade 11. Why? It was, na-influencean ko sa, classmate ako pa grade 7 and grade 8. So, admit yun ako nga nag-cheat ko sa test and also sa assignment. Dili naman next niya. Actually, circle ako sila pa grade 7 and grade 8. Actually, dili ko ga-tolerate og cheat jud niya kay very serious kay this is a very serious question. Sa pa ba? Yeah, admit ako nga nag-cheat ko, nagmahay ko nga nung gibuhat na ko to. Kay gusto ko kadang gikan sa kong pinaghirapan, di ba, Jel?
Yes!
Di ba, Jel? Walang karon kay marag mapungot ko pag naay mag-cheat. Pero nakagi mo ko gana, so hala, sige. Napailain.
Salam!
Lapunta sa Ako na pud mag-question. Okay.
So guys, that's the answer of go. So he cheated. So hi guys, so I'm with Abby. So this is our ate in our school, the alcoholer. Oh. Please help to welcome the dancer of this.
Okay, please choose po.
Choose.
Okay.
Here, dear.
Yoga.
It's so igam.
Igang kayo. Nagmas pa dyan ka.
What's that?
Kanina siguro. Daw. Loan sa din nga, dear.
Gosh, what's that?
Ay, wala ba tayo marshmallow?
No. I wish my
Ayun na, siguro there.
Dear love.
Ay, okay lang. Fair or love?
Dapat maghatag kag advice.
Advisor na dito. Ani ka ng gamay ato kay basta.
Advisor.
Basta gamay daw. Ginaingan nila sa yun, ha?
Okay.
The question is, it is so personally.